Now, after performing part A of activity 7, my dear kids, now it is the time to move to part B of activity 7. Reading part B for all of you. Format the cell green for the students who scored marks less than 18. Select custom format option for the drop down menu. That means over here there should be a green color for the students who have secured less than 80% of the marks. Now, how to go for it? Let's move ahead to the hands-on activity over here. Again, select the entire range of the cell. We are aware that it is a conditional format, conditional formatting. Now add another rule over here, my dear kids. The cell value, if I try less than 80, what will happen? I will show it to you over here. You are able to see that less than 80, all the cells are less than 80, my dear kids. So all the cells will be green in color. So I require to select a green color from here and click on done. So you are able to see 71, 79, 71. All these are, I will require to change the heading. So I will give it dark green color so that we are able to distinguish between both of the numbers as well as the heading. So one more time, how to go ahead with it? Just Control Z. Everything Control Z. First I will change the heading color, make it dark green. Then I'm selecting the range of the cells over here. We are very much aware, after selecting the range of the cells, I have to go on format, conditional formatting. Over here, I require to replace this, add another rule. The range of the cell is selected less than what, my dear kids? 80. And give a green color to it. A very bright green color so that we are able to distinguish between red and green. So yes, you are able to see over here, all the students also have secured less than 80% of the marks are highlighted over here. You are able to see Abdul in 3 subjects, Abdul has scored less than 80, and in 1 subject less than 40. Annie in all the subject less than 80. Beena in one of the subjects, she is exactly 80. Hence, you are able to see the cell is not highlighted over here. So in this particular manner, we have already done the second part of our activity. Now in the next presentation, we will move to the third part of the activity.